Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. On the question here it is that the characters of acquired immunity are option A specificity, option B difference between self and non-self, option C it could retain memory, and option D all of the above. So let's start the question with the key concept first. So यहाँ पर हम लोग जो key concept को discuss करेंगे स्टूडेंट वो है acquired immunity. जो एक्वायर्ड इम्यूनिटी है जिसको हम एक और नेम से भी जानते हैं दैट इट कुड बी अडेप्टिव इम्यूनिटी. ठीक है, जो ये इम्यूनिटी है स्टूडेंट्स ये क्या करती है, इट कुड डेवलप, इट पर्टिकुलरली डेवलप्स following the exposure of, by following an exposure, that is here exposure to an antigen, and it is mediated by, and we could say that it is mediated by B lymphocyte, B lymphocytes or T lymphocyte or both, T lymphocyte or maybe both. Now we could consider here the characteristic of acquired immunity. So हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे क्या क्या characteristics जो हैं वो होते हैं acquired immunity के. So the first we could discuss here that there is a diversity. Now diversity here it is that they can respond. Diversity means here that they could respond to millions of different antigens. That it could be different antigens. The nextly here they are antibody specific, which means that ability that is of an antibody to recognize specific antigen. Even we could say that even antigen molecule different by a single amino acid also. Specific antigen. So we could say that the response is directly towards the initiated pathogen. The next here it would be immunological memory. So when we could talk about the immunological memory, so we could consider that once it is recognized, that could be here, once it is recognized, that could responded here to the antigen, which is responded to the antigen itself. Now considering then the system is able to respond more strongly. System here, it is able to respond more strongly. Now there is another one also that there could be a discrimination, and that is here the discrimination between self and non-self. That could be here between self and non-self, which means here that it can differentiate the host cells. It can differentiate the host cells from the foreign cells. From foreign cells. So we could say that here that the answer for the given question is specificity, differentiation between self and non-self, retain memory means all of the above. Hope it is clear. All the best.